Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and today's weather hazard briefing is for Friday, January 21st. We do have a dense fog advisory in effect for the eastern Magic Valley and southern hills this morning, reducing visibility widespread below 1/4 mile, so creating some hazardous travel conditions in those areas. We do have some high pressure building in, but before that, we are seeing some continued scattered snow showers and some freezing rain starting to mix in some of our lower elevation areas, which is leading to some slippery road conditions out there. Some key points we're going to focus on this morning. Do that fog and low stratus continuing, much of the same that we've seen over the past couple days, but a little bit of a change this morning. We do have that dense fog advisory, again for the eastern Magic Valley and southern hills, leading to visibility below 1/4 mile. High pressure is moving in. Mostly sunny skies are expected outside of the fog and low clouds, so head outside the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain, and plentiful sunshine will be awaiting you. Temperatures do trend colder for next week, with lows around 0 into the low teens, especially out towards Mud Lake, Central Mountains, and Bear Lake. Do have a chance for some snow showers for Monday and Tuesday, mainly in the eastern highlands and along the Idaho-Wyoming border, as our next system looks to trend a little bit further east. It's going to be heading, deepening into Colorado and Wyoming, just leaving us on the outer fringes of that system. Satellite view this morning, we do have that widespread fog and low stratus deck that's established itself all the way out from the Magic Valley, Treasure Valley, and through the Snake Plain. Look at the nighttime microphysics. This is a helpful tool to differentiate between some mid to upper level clouds and what might be going on at the surface. These colors here in the yellow to bright green are going to be indicative of fog and low stratus clouds at the surface. So as we can see, a deep pocket here in central Idaho, leading to reduced visibility and some slippery road conditions with some light shower activity elsewhere, especially in the southern and eastern portions of the state this morning. A look at your weather risk outlook. For today, we're just mainly going to be focusing on the fog and some light morning snow showers, some few pockets of freezing drizzle. We did have a little bit here at the airport, and it kind of created a little bit of a glaze on top of the new snow that we got. We got about 2 inches here at the Pocatello airport. So just a little bit of that glaze on top, and it's going to be creating some slippery surface conditions as you head out the door this morning. Looking again at tomorrow, so first some locally dense morning fog, so much of the same, just kind of looking at the overnight and morning hours for some dense fog leading towards the afternoon, hopefully trying to see some sunshine poke back through in the eastern Magic Valley and Snake Plain, but elsewhere in our higher elevation zones look to stay in the clear. Do have a chance for some light snow showers headed out towards Monday and Tuesday, again staying mainly confined to our northern and eastern locations, but outside of that, light accumulations are expected. Here's the visual on the dense fog advisory. We do have that extended as well as partnered with Boise, headed out through Glens Ferry, Twin Falls, all the way out through Rockland. So just a little bit of some extra caution in this area this morning, but we are seeing some patchy fog through Pocatello, Idaho Falls, up through Ashton and Teton County as well this morning. Here's a look at your temperatures for today. So we're starting off in the single digits out towards Mud Lake, but everywhere else will be in the mid-teens to low 20s, with near pushing 30 degrees out towards Burley. And things only warm up by a few degrees in our southern areas, but up top should be warming up by about 10 to 20 degrees for your afternoon highs. And for Saturday, so we're going to be trending colder each and every day. So we're starting to see that cooling trend with some broad upper level ridging, leading to some high pressure and mostly sunny skies, again above the fog and low stratus. So for your Saturday, starting off in the single digits again, Bear Lake, Mud Lake, and the central mountains. But out towards Saturday in the afternoon, things do warm up fairly pleasantly. We're going to be in the mid-20s to mid-30s. And for Sunday, much of the same. Still looking at those single digits to low teens in the morning, with widespread temperatures in the 20s to low 40s actually in the central mountains as this high pressure continues to move onshore from the Pacific Ocean. And for Monday, temperatures are, again, we're kind of sounding like a broken record, but it's going to be much of the same for your Monday and Tuesday of next week as well, with temperatures starting off on the colder side of things, in the single digits to low teens for many locations, but warming up into the mid-20s to low 30s. And for Tuesday, so kind of keeping with that downward trend, Tuesday looks to be the coldest day of this period looking out there. So as far as INL, we're going to be seeing some below zero temperatures. And usually in this situation, you can get some below normal performing temperatures as that cold air kind of pools down from the mountains. So something to keep an eye on in those areas. But elsewhere, it's probably going to be in the single digits to low teens. So a cold start for your Tuesday, but things again warming back up into the mid-20s to low 30s. And in summary this morning, we do have that dense fog advisory in effect for the eastern Magic Valley and southern hills, reducing visibility below 1/4 mile, so creating some hazardous travel conditions. We also are seeing some pockets of freezing drizzle and light snow showers, especially in our southern and eastern zones. So something to keep an eye on as you head out the door. High pressure is expected to move in with mostly sunny skies outside of the fog and low clouds, so head outside of the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley, and plenty of sunshine will await you. Temperatures do trend colder for your next week, but lows around 0 into the low teens, taking a crack at some negative temperatures as we approach Tuesday. And we do have a chance for some slight snow showers, mainly Monday and Tuesday, in the eastern highlands and out towards the Idaho-Wyoming border. And that wraps up your weather briefing for today, Friday, January 21st. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a wonderful day.